You can use the Photos app on your iPhone to hide or lock your private and sensitive photos in a special hidden album. So let's look how to do this. First of all, go to your photo gallery. Next, tap on Select at the top and choose the multiple photos you want. Next, click on 3 horizontal dots at bottom right corner. Then click on Hide option from the list. Next, click on Hide Photo in this prompt. Those selected photos are now hidden from the gallery. To get those hidden photos, click on Album at bottom. Then scroll down and under Utilities you will find Hidden. Click on it. You will get those hidden photos. If someone has experience with iPhones or knows about hidden folders, they can easily access them. Therefore, let's secure these hidden folders so that Face ID is required to access those photos. For this, go to Settings app. Scroll down and click on Photos app. Scroll down and toggle on Use Face ID as shown here. Now come to the same utilities under Album and click on Hidden as shown here. You see now it is requesting to provide Face ID to access those hidden photos. Now, I'm using my face to gain access, allowing me to see those hidden photos. Now, click on Select, choose the photos, click on the 3 dots at the bottom, and then select Unhide to reveal those photos in Gallery. Now those photos are removed from here and will appear in Photos Gallery. In this way we hide and secretly lock the photos in iPhone. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel. And click on bell icon to never miss any update.